What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to record slow motion videos on your Galaxy S24 FE. So first of all, open camera. Now after opening the camera, tap on more option and then from here select slow motion. Now to start the recording, tap on the shutter button, and after tapping on this button, start recording, and then stop by tapping on this button again. Now you can view your slow motion video by tapping on this picture icon. So that's how you can record slow motion videos in Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.